have been influenced by Bria to make the Cowboy Caviar. I only need a few ingredients, so let's go to the grocery store. I just got back from a walk and it's really hot outside. It's like 80 degrees, so ignore all of this. I think this is gonna be a lot of slicing, so I'm also gonna tell you at the end how long this took me. Hey Siri, start a stopwatch. Start. 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, 1 orange bell pepper, the last of the bell peppers, 1 red bell pepper. I'm only gonna put 1 jalapeno in there and I'm gonna de-seed it. Going in. She added mango recently, which I think the sweetness is such a great idea. I have a nectarine, so I'm gonna use that instead. Here we go. She calls for red onion, but I have 2 shallots that really need to be used up, so I'm gonna dice those. This recipe really doesn't require an apron, but it's new, and I really wanted to wear it. I get excited about new aprons. Not necessarily new clothes, but new aprons. Those shallots burn. Whew, some corn. I'm not gonna do too much. And some feta. I'm only gonna add a little bit because not everyone eating this loves feta, but I'll add more to mine. I'm using this recipe as an excuse to use up things in the fridge too, and I have a little bit of cilantro. 2 cans drained black beans. Definitely gonna need a bigger bowl. 1 can drained pinto. I checked the recipe and this is all I'm gonna add in except for avocados, which I'll add in after I mix everything and make the dressing. For the dressing, a 1/2 cup of olive oil, the juice of 2 limes, 3 limes. If you don't like blood, don't look, but I freaking cut myself on a can of beans. A 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning, but I have everything but the elote and I think it'll taste great. A tablespoon or 2 of honey. I am gonna add a splash of pickle juice and some salt and pepper to taste. Pour this in a bigger bowl, mix it, and then pour it back in this one. So I'm gonna do half, taste, and then pour more. My avocados did not go to private school, so most of it had to be cut off, but I did get some. Hey Siri, how much time is on my stopwatch? 43 minutes and 52 seconds. I'm sure you could do it faster because recording always takes me a little bit longer to make recipes. Ta-da! That is really good. What I love about it is that there's so many ingredients. Each bite, you're getting different ingredients and it's different flavors.